My name is Giang, and I'm a robotics software team leader in the Vietnam office. Writing, painting. Sometimes I also do some guitar. Do you believe me if I say I normally only sleep during the weekend? Yeah, coffee. Coffee in the morning, coffee before lunch, coffee after lunch, coffee in the afternoon, coffee after dinner. Yeah. Murakami. When you read his novel, it's like you are experiencing a dream. I read them when I was younger. There must be something different if I still can remember most of his novel at the moment. Santorini in Greece. That place really, really beautiful. I mean, living forever. What will happen in 100 years, 1,000 years? We just self-destruct or we migrate all over the galaxy or something like that. I really, really curious about that.